Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss homemade anti-itch dog spray recipes. The spring and the summer season not only mean gentle breezes and beautiful flowers, they also mean itchy dogs. Dogs blissfully playing in the dirt and rolling around on the fresh cut grass is wonderful to watch. But it's also how they get exposed to a wide variety of bacteria and other microbes, causing skin inflammation and itching. Is your dog scratching a lot and even biting its paws, legs, and back trying to alleviate that exasperating prickling sensation? The cause of excessive itchiness in dogs is usually relatively benign and treatable at home. It could be a minor skin irritation or fleas and other insects that have hitched a ride. As soon as possible, you should take steps to relieve your pooch from the itching and try to determine what's causing it. Incessant scratching can lead to further problems that increase discomfort and become harder to treat. Consult your vet if your dog does not stop itching and the skin irritation persists. Home remedy number 1: apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has acetic acid, which makes it a potent antifungal and antibacterial ingredient. Pour 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar into a jar. Add 1 drop of lavender essential oil and 1/4 teaspoon of calendula oil to it. Pour 2 tablespoons each of green tea and peppermint tea into the jar. Blend the ingredient well. Pour the solution into a reusable spray bottle. Label the bottle as dog spray. Spray the solution on the itchy spots of your dogs to relieve the itching. Home remedy number 2: oatmeal. Oatmeal has anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe the skin and provide instant relief to your dog. Pour 2 cups of water into a pan and place the pan on a cooktop. Add 2 tablespoons of oatmeal to the water. Bring the mixture to a slow boil on a medium heat. Remove the pan from the cooktop and strain the water using a sieve. Allow the mixture to cool off. Transfer the homemade anti-itch dog spray into a reusable spray bottle. Label the bottle as dog spray and spray it on your dog's itchy spots. You can store it for up to 2 months in the refrigerator. Home remedy number 3: witch hazel. Witch hazel is a natural astringent, and when combined with aloe vera gel, it soothes and calms the skin. Pour 2 tablespoons each of witch hazel and aloe vera gel into a mixing bowl. Add 4 or 5 drops each of tea tree and lavender essential oils into the bowl. Blend the ingredient together well. Transfer the solution into a reusable spray bottle using a small funnel and label the bottle. Spray the solution on your dog's itchy spots. You can store this spray for up to 2 weeks in the refrigerator. You can use these DIY homemade anti-itch dog sprays made of natural ingredients to soothe your dog's itchy skin, calm any rashes, restore the skin pH, and keep flies, fleas, and gnat away. Consult your vet if your dog does not stop itching and the skin irritation persists. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.